Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change battery in Volkswagen Passat key fob. Start by pressing the release to slide out the metal valet key and set it aside safely. Use a thin, flat tool to gently pry the seam open, taking care not to stress the plastic or buttons. Swap the CR 2032 battery for a fresh one, align positive side up, snap the halves together, reinsert the key, and test all buttons. You only need a couple of simple items to replace the battery, so this is an easy DIY fix. Grab a thin flat screwdriver or plastic pry tool, a fresh CR 2032 battery, and a soft cloth to protect the fob finish. Work over a tray so the valet key and tiny parts don't get lost, and keep fingers steady when popping the halves apart to avoid cracking the case. If the new battery doesn't restore function, try cleaning the contacts with isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab, then dry fully before reassembly. Sometimes removing and reinserting the key or cycling the car locks resets the fob electronics, so test those simple fixes first. For persistent issues like cracked housing or unresponsive buttons after a battery swap, a dealer or qualified locksmith can diagnose programming or deeper circuit problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.